Brian here. So we had a customer, we're in an i20. So there's two auto functions on the light stock. So there's one here and there's one here. This one here is, you can have either lights off, parkers, dips. But if you pull it back to auto, that means daytime and nighttime the car regulates itself. So nighttime the lights come on, daytime the lights turn off and just leave on the daytime running lights. So these ones are the headlights over here, and then these ones down here are the daytime runners. So during the day, just these guys will be on by themselves, but at nighttime then you'll get the headlights as well. So that's pretty straightforward, a lot of cars have it. The second auto is the one that confuses people sometimes. So if I push this forward, you see I get an extra auto function up through there, and if I push it again, now it's off. So what's happening there is this extra auto function, what that's going to do is, if you're driving towards traffic, it dips, and then if you go into an unlit area, it goes full. I have to say the daytime, nighttime works absolutely perfect. 100% always works. Every single car I've ever driven with the auto lights where they try an auto dip, it's a very variable situation. There's loads of things that can affect it, so it can't be perfect. So it's an assist, and probably around 3/4 of the time it does the right thing, but there's times where you still have to manually override. So you could have it sitting on the auto dip, but sometimes someone's come towards you, the car hasn't dipped or gone into full lights by itself, so you can manually override and then switch it back on. So that's all that is. So just to recap, auto lights for daytime, nighttime over here, auto for dipping when you meet traffic and stuff, push it forward. That's the difference. All right, hopefully the video is useful. Thanks for watching.